Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Rockspace AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi repeater. Works with any Wi-Fi router, easy to set up, 100% original product. Let's see some specs. Here we can see a diagram of the house. The blue is the wireless router Wi-Fi signal and the light green is the AC1200 wireless repeater Wi-Fi signal. You can use it of course to your garden, garage, security camera, bedroom. You can boost your main Wi-Fi signal from your router to have a better internet access. This is the model RSD0608. It is in black. High-speed simultaneous dual-band Wi-Fi for better connection, strong Wi-Fi signal, 2 fixed external antennas for faster and more stable Wi-Fi, smart location guide, intelligent signal LED helps to find best location by showing the signal strength, built-in access point mode, create a new 11 AC Wi-Fi access point in your house. And we're going to open it to see what we have inside. Now, for the record, this is not going to increase your internet connection. It's only going to boost your Wi-Fi signal from your main router to have internet access when you are far away from your main router or your smartphone. Let's say you are in the first floor and you need to go to the basement and you don't have a very good Wi-Fi signal. That it will help you and you will have better Wi-Fi signal. The internet speed that you have from your provider, it will be the same. Let's open it. Oh, quite heavy. Inside we've got a manual, nothing else. Quick installation guide. Well, if you need to read it all that, it's your choice, but you can stay with me and you're gonna find out all about that, how you can set up it, how you can work with this Rockspace dual band Wi-Fi repeater. There are the two antennas. Here we've got the Wps button, the power LED, the Wps LED, and the signal LED. Reset button and the Ethernet connection down here. It feels very nice to my hand, very durable, not any cheap materials. Nice. Well, unfortunately there is no app to your smartphone to make all the setup. You need to go to your browser and start from here. Well, let's do that. Now let's plug it in. We can see we have the power LED. Now from my laptop we need to go to the Wi-Fi network and we are going to find out the Rockspace extended. Connect. Just waiting to connection. Create your login password. Let's say admin for now. Admin. Next. Scanning for the Wi-Fi network we need to extend. I will use this, the Gandalf 5G. The password for the 5G network that is in my main router. And the extended name is Gandalf 5G extending. You can see the process is very easy. Now we are going to wait. This signal LED, it will go to blue. Extended successfully. Okay, move the repeater halfway between your Wi-Fi router and Wi-Fi dead zone. The position must be within the range of the extending Wi-Fi network. Use the signal LED color to help you relocate the repeater. Blue is proper position, red move the repeater closer to the Wi-Fi network, and the off move the repeater closer to the Wi-Fi route. And that was the quick setup connection. Of course you can do that and from your smartphone with no problem. You can see how easy it was, not more than 1 minute. If you want to use the Wps button, just push it, hold it, and it will go blue until you will push the button to your main router. Then it will give the OK and to access this Wi-Fi repeater to your main router, and it will go solid blue again, the signal. and after 2 minutes, if you're not going to do anything, it will turn off the WPS. This is a dual band Wi-Fi router in 2.4 and in 5 GHz. In 2.4 it goes to 300 Mbps, and in 5 GHz is going to 867 Mbps. Totally is 1167 Mbps available. You can use it with all the routers with no problem. And I think it's time for testing. I'm going to test it. I will put it 12 to 15 meters away from my main router. I will test in 2.4 GHz and in 5 GHz the Wi-Fi speed connection to my internet, and of course I will transfer some files to my server, and I will see how long it will take and what speed it has when it's transferring files to my server. And for comparison, I will test it in 3 meters away, of course, from my router, and we will have an idea what is the best for this Wi-Fi repeater, and if it's best to use it in 2.4 or in 5 GHz band. here is the interface of the Rockspace Wi-Fi repeater. Let's take a look how it works. Well, we can change the language from here, log out, status, repeater mode, zero attached device, blacklist. Okay, we have the 2.4 GHz, the 5 GHz. We can see the signal, 81% and 82%. Internet, your existing Wi-Fi router, repeater, client. Re-extend, you can connect to others Wi-Fi routers that you've got. Wi-Fi settings, here you get the name of the repeater. You can change your name, of course you can change and the password and the 2.4 and the 5 GHz network, and save. Operation mode, you can use it as a repeater mode or an IP mode to convert a wired network into a wireless network. Let's say you've got a router that doesn't have any Wi-Fi, or you have a line down to your basement and you can convert it from your Ethernet and you can give down to the basement wireless network. Internet, your existing Wi-Fi router, repeater, switch mode, and again repeat mode to extend the coverage of a Wi-Fi network. Administration, you can change the password to log in into this interface. Reboot, reset, export, and firmware update. You can check into the website of this repeater if there is any firmware update. The interface is very easy, not much to see, but it can do the job. Well guys, that was the Rockspace Wi-Fi repeater. What do you think so? You need something like that to buy it? Well, it is your choice. For me, I think it's doing a great job. You can see the test, thumbs up, great results, the speed in 2.4 and the 5 GHz. I like the interface, it looks great and is working with no problem. Of course, I will test it, I will use it every day, and if I will find problems, I will post down below through the description. Well, please leave down below to the comments your thoughts. What do you think about this product? Did you buy it or you want to buy it? You can see all about this product down to the description. I will leave the link if you want to buy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know if you need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.